Hi, my name is Reid and I'm the co-founder of Dent and the co-author of the Canadian edition of a best-selling book called Key Person of Influence. There's an event I'd like to invite you to in Toronto called Become a Key Person of Influence. For a bit of background, since 2010 we've been running a global business accelerator in the UK, Australia, Singapore and the USA, which has helped more than 3,000 entrepreneurs to stand out, scale up and make a real impact in their industry. What we've discovered is becoming a key person of influence in your industry isn't about attaining more qualifications, experience, or resources. If you're already good at what you do, there's actually just 5 skills to make all the difference. Things like learning how to pitch your ideas and business with more clarity, publishing thought leadership in the form of books, blogs, and articles, turning your services into valuable products that people want to buy, raising your profile in online and traditional media, and partnering with other high performers in your industry. Every industry has key people of influence. Their names come up in conversations, they attract more opportunities, they earn more money, and they have more fun. The upcoming Key Person of Influence event features experienced business leaders who will share the strategies and best practices on how you can stand out, scale up, and make a real dent in the universe. Click the link to register below, and I look forward to seeing you there.